Hi guys, Ron. Tech tips, tech stuff. How you doing? Just want to show you my house inside. A little brief of life in the day of Ron from Tech Tips and Tech Stuff. Show you something here. I don't have a good vlogging camera. I'm using my 4K Sony. Those are my oxygen concentrators. They don't make they make oxygen by taking it out of the air and concentrating it and shooting it through these hoses. I have 50 feet of hoses. Something else I want to show you. This is my stereo. I bought these BMW speakers. They're awesome speakers. Sound great. This is all bought years ago. I bought these about 1991, 1992. I also bought this. A laser player. I have Terminator 2 on there. It's 4 discs. Check it out. That's how big laserdiscs were back in the day. Terminator 2, Judgment Day. Pretty cool. I watched it. Actually, the picture quality is really, really good. My house. This book here. I know him, Michael Daniel. I've known him for, man, since the 90s. He died last year, around this time, well, October last year. But he did this book by taking people's faces with right here, right there. It's a little eye module. You can see it there. You know the old Palm Pilots and the visors that you plug different devices in? This one was a camera, and but that's not what he did. He did stage photography, taking pictures of Meryl Streep and Ed Harris on stage doing the performances. I hope you can hear me. Here's my computer case. I didn't have the heart to part with it. It's a solid aluminum case made by Lee, and put some RGB lights in it to make it into an end table. And these are coasters, so nothing damages the material. My chair, stuff. Oh yeah, I have my TV hooked up to my computer. Actually, that big cable down there is. That's the HDMI cable, goes to the TV. And then my fender. I made this fender back in 1985, I believe it was. I stick a clock in there. And sometime this year, I put LED strips behind it. They're waterproof. You have to use waterproof when you're getting in touch with metal or anything wet for the LED strips. Turned out pretty good. It looks pretty cool. Show you the other thing here. It's not much to see. It's my kitchen and the auction tank. Something I have to take every day, because with scleroderma, it screws up the GI system. And to keep it going, doesn't matter how much fiber you eat, you'll still be constipated. You have to take laxatives and this every day. This is like 45 bucks. Here's my favorite baby. Remember a review I did on the Sultan coffee maker? I use that every single day with Tim Hortons coffee. I can't get up in the morning to have my coffee. It's just awesome. Three light strips. These work amazing. They go over your nose, you wash your face, go over your nose, and they can make you breathe a lot better. And these products are used for cleaning the nose out. because you can't eat with a mask on. So you have to keep the nose secretes lots of secretion coming out of the nose. You're supposed to use this gel. I use a gel often. You're supposed to use it all the time, but you put it up the nose, the gel, and then you squirt this stuff up your nose. It's kind of messy here, but this is one here. This is one. You squirt this in your nose. Awkward to get this camera here. When you squirt this up your nose, it shoots a stream and it comes down the other side. So it does a real good job at irrigating. But these things are expensive. I go through one of these about every 3 days. They're $13 or $14 each. So you can tell you how expensive that gets. Trying some new ones here from Amazon. This one's almost out. It just seems like I'm getting ripped off here. The government does cover a portion of this, but not all. It doesn't cover nowhere near what it's costing me. My stove. Don't really need much more because I'm on a special diet now. Well, here's my computers. This is our old IBM ThinkPad from 1997. Got your monitor. I had this old device. This is my setup and work back in the 90s. Or 2007. And worked pretty well. This computer here. This one here is 1996. Compact Quechua, whatever it's called. Quechua. Up until two, 3 years ago, I was still able to get this network card, dial-up networking. Do you remember dial-up networking? Where you stick this in, and yeah, I'll do this here. I'll do it right now, and let's listen to what it sounds like dial-up. Okay, guys, here's the sound of the modem. I lost my password. I can't get in. Anybody from the 90s will remember this sound. Getting on to the food. The foods. The church actually puts out free meals, but the problem is I don't know how much sodium is in there. I can't go over 2,000 milligrams a day. So Meals on Wheels. Meals on Wheels. This stuff is $7 each, and they don't fill you up. I feel like I'm getting ripped off. But the thing is, you know how much sodium in there. These are about 500 milligrams of sodium. This bread here is really good bread. 85 milligrams of sodium per slice. So for lunch I'll have a hot plate. For lunch I'll have this around here. So lunch I'll have 2 pieces of bread, 2 eggs, tomatoes, spinach, and onion on it. That'll be my lunch. I can get down to my workstation here. Check this out. Here's Vegas. I just blew this computer out this morning. It was so dirty. This is Vegas Pro 19. I'm running on a 2016 Dell Optiflex 7040. It runs quite well on this, on 8 gigabytes of RAM. My other computer here, that's DaVinci right now. That's i7, I think it's 32 gigabytes of RAM. Upgraded, can't remember when I upgraded it, but this computer flies, it's nice and fast. A chair, I bought that a year ago from Staples. Very, very comfortable chair. And this is the gel you put up your nose to loosen everything when you clean it out. It comes out quite easy. Q-tips, these are going up the nose to clean it out very carefully, because otherwise you'll start bleeding, and being on blood thinners, the bleeding nose can get quite nasty. See what I want. I'm helping a friend from my church. Can't remember where I put it. I'm just showing my SSD in his old computer. I told him get rid of that hard drive, put an SSD in there, because nothing runs better than an SSD. Maranello Auto Finishing, best shop in the city. Lamborghinis, you name it. It's all kinds of high-end cars in that shop. Awesome work. My phone, this phone here is 1990s technology. When somebody calls, it announces a number. So you can, it will say 403-227-4787. It's a real cool phone. There's lots of features. Just tons and tons of features this phone. I just bought this with my birthday money my mom gave me. It was only $30 for this phone. It works really well. I should get a product with me on that, but just to feel it was a waste of time. And then refresh eyes, because with scleroderma, your eyes dry out so fast. You can't see anything. And this is my second humidifier. This humidity, it's not bad right now. So here it's showing it's 71 upstairs and 79 downstairs. And the humidity is 19%. That is quite low, but it can get worse than that. When you get static on everything. You can be so careful working around electronics when you got that kind of humidity. It's just super low. That's just my setup, guys. Just wanted to share it with you. Hope you're having a good day. Take care, guys. Bye.